Hey guys, it's Dougie at the Hardwood in the store downtown Coral, Texas, and it is getting hot. So I figured I would create a recipe for you guys to try at home and help you beat the heat and everything else that's going on. Help you put it all to the side. So this one's going to be easy. Minimal tools, minimal ingredients. It's pretty much my play on a rum and coke. I call it from the depths. So I recommend it built in a highball glass. Any glass will do. And we're going to build it all directly into the glass. So the first thing we're going to need is going to be a Creme de Cacao. This is from Tempes Fugit. If you guys watch my videos, you know how much I love this brand. If you can't get your hands on this, any chocolate liqueur or even coffee liqueur will do. A little bit goes a long way, so we're only going to do 1/4 ounce. All right. And then we're going to use a dark rum. I'm going to use Jamaican Pot Still Black from Ed Hamilton. If you can't get your hands on this, again, any black rum will do. And if you can't find a black rum, any dark rum will do. This is a high proof rum, so we're only going to use a little bit of it. Oh, you got to measure right here. You're going to do 1 ounce. So this isn't a very strong drink. It's high in proof, but since we're only using 1 ounce, it's not going to be, you know, a face melter by any means. So from here, we're just going to pack it with some crushed ice. So I recommend getting a bar spoon and doing something we refer to as Swizzle. This really help it dilute and chill down the glass and your spirits. Keep that spoon in there. Some more ice. Just pack it down. The more ice, crushed ice touching the glass to liquid, the more surface area, the longer it will stay cold, and the colder it will get. It'll get nice and frosty. So you just want to make sure you pack the whole thing with your ice. Just keep on moving it. Some more ice. So essentially this is a Swizzle style of cocktail. Yes. Okay. Ice is key here. Cool you down. And then American style Coca Cola in a small can. Just top it off. Just like that. No garnish, just a straw. Straw, push it down and agitate it, get a little bit of that, all those ingredients mixed together, top it off a little more ice. And that, my friends, is an elevated version of rum and coke that I refer to as from the depths. Cheers. Yeah. Well-rounded, robust, chocolatey, has minimal heat, has a nice sweetness coming from the Coca-Cola and of course that liqueur. I think this is a great summer drink and I think it will help you guys out. Stay cool by the poolside or in your garage or going down the beach. Yeah. All right. Like and subscribe. Wear your mask. Be safe. Love you all.